So when the AP exam wants to see, do you know the chain rule, they can just ask you examples algebraically like we've had through the first few videos, but they can also do it through a table, much like they do when they're seeing, do you know the sum and difference rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, the constant multiple rule. They're seeing with a table, hey, do you really understand the rules? And it's not just you getting lucky with guessing wildly. Uh, Remember, the general approach to this is if I'm being asked to find, like in this example, s prime of 1, is to focus on finding s prime of x symbolically and then plug in the x value and get what I need from the table at that point. Don't try to do it all at once. While you're very smart and very capable, it introduces too many places a mistake can be made. So before I worry about s prime of 1, I'm first going to worry about s prime of x. Well, this is composition because I'm doing k of j of x. So I need the derivative of the outside. Inside doesn't change. Times derivative of the inside. At this point, I will now go ahead and replace the x with 1. So s prime of 1 is equal to k prime of j of 1 times j prime of 1. And now I'll start to pull these from the table. So k prime, j of 1 is 2. And now I'll get my derivative values. K prime of 2 is negative 6. J prime of 1 is 7. And negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. And here is our answer. Second example, just because it's nice to do this. Note that now our function k is still a composition, but we actually know the outside function is a square root. Well, radicals are not very friendly to us in calculus, so I'm going to change this to f of x raised to the 1/2 power. So this means k prime of x. Derivative of the outside, well, the 1/2 power is my outside, so 1/2 comes in front. The inside does not change. Subtract 1 to get the new exponent, then times the derivative of the inside. At this point, I can now go ahead and replace x with 1. So k prime of 1 is equal to 1/2 times f of 1 raised to the negative 1/2 times f prime of 1. Well, I have the 1/2. F of 1 is 1. F prime of 1 is 2. Well, 1 raised to any power is 1, times 1/2 is 1/2, times 2 gives me 1. And there is my answer.